Final assessment by Fray Alexis Gonzalez Benitez. I'm in the group number 1 of the course Teacher Development. First of all, I'm going to start with the pre-task. That was the step 1 in the course. In this activity, we have to do a concept map and answer some questions about the course. The main objective was to know the principles and bases that a teacher should have, such as the studying, the practicing, and the researching. In the next activity, the task 1, called the need of being qualified, we had to do a summary of the readings of the Unit 1. These readings talk about the qualifications that a teacher should have. Different authors that we have to study said that many factors can affect the effectiveness of teachers due to the lack of knowledge in a specific area to teach, the level of education, and other factors. Furthermore, it is mentioned the quality of education in Colombia with regard to bilingual education that is very poor. And the task 2, called Contributing to Teachers' Development, we also have to do a summary of readings of Unit 2. These readings talk about the research for effective teachers. The main idea was to try to promote the research about factors that drops the effectiveness of teachers in the classrooms. And finally, in the task 3, called Developing Research in my own setting, we have to answer some questions about the research of our university, such as groups of research, lines of investigations, hotbeds of research, and so on. The main objective for this activity was proposing a research with objectives and enough reference to carry out it in the future. Thanks, that's all. Thank you for watching me and hearing me, and until our next opportunity.